SUBUGA, the event manager of the fourth round of the Mountain Dew National Motocross Championship. Yeah, we decided that as a club and together with the federation, we decided that the fourth round should come to the northern part of Uganda, even when many thought it was not possible. But Lira City was the perfect place to put that event. The event is going to have about over 80 riders. We are going to have over 80 riders in different classes, starting from riders aged around 4 years. They'll be right to those even above 50. They'll be riding, competing amongst each other. This is a national championship, meaning it's not just a fun race to give people fun in Lira, but these people are competing at national level to represent Uganda at the international level. As you heard from our president, Uganda was the second in Africa in the motocross championships, and this it being the second, it means Lira City is blessed to have the second best group of riders in Africa on its land, and it's a perfect place that many people are even requesting that even before the year ends there might be another race in Omito, because of the love the people of Lira have shown them even before racing. Yeah, there will be prizes for the best 3 riders. The top 3 riders will have trophies. The bigger prizes are awarded at the end of the national championship. They'll give them trophies, and there will be medals for all other participating riders. But what I urge is all people in Lira City who are coming to watch the event, first of all, to come with a lot of joy to excite our riders, but also be extremely careful, because this sport, it's fun, but it could be a very dangerous sport in case you do not follow the rules. The track is well demarcated. The fans should stand outside the demarcations, because them standing inside the demarcations could cause them, not only the riders, but they themselves, because the race will stop. Yes, automatically someone enters the track, but imagine you come in the middle of the track and the rider is already at you. You will be knocked. We have seen this. It could even lead to death if you are not careful, and we as the organizers are not liable to the third parties in this matter. The treatment we have is for the riders in case of their injuries, but the spectators, we advise you, because you are in a position that you can avoid actually getting that injury. So we call upon you to be disciplined as we are at the track, and invite more people. The race is going to be here for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, and we hope to receive all of you during that race. Yeah, thank you.
My name is Milton Akaki. We're here today in Lira City. I can speak for the rest of the riders. I think we're very excited to be here. It's obviously the first ever race in this northern region, and we're happy and excited to be here. I encourage everybody to come for the race, because it's going to be very interesting. Also for us, it's going to be an experience, it's going to be interesting, and yeah, I'm happy to be here.
What should the people here expect? What kind of performance?
They should expect a very good show. You know, everybody has been training hard. Of course, this is also a national race, so people are going to be fighting for championship. You know, people are going to be fighting for vital championship points. So everybody is going to be giving it their best. Everybody has been training hard, so expect a very good race.
What motivated you? Like, what benefit do you get from this?
I'm just happy to be here. Obviously, this is also my hometown, so to ride here is also very nice. To ride in front of my people is very nice, and show them what I can do.